2007 FJ Cruiser rear corner bumper panel. First thing what you want to do is, well, what I do is I come down here and I disconnect the electrical connectors for the, what do they call it, like crash sensors or whatever, impact sensors. There's a connector right here, it's gray, it's 2-wire. There's one on each side. You got to disconnect these. They're going to be stubborn. Don't pull them by the wires. Pull the, push the button down. There's basically a wire harness that runs through the rear bumper. And if you get these disconnected now, you don't have to worry about it when you pull the bumper off. So just get one on the right side, and then there's one on the left side right here as well. They should be pretty easy to get to. Just disconnect these, and it'll save you some trouble. This is the little button tab you push on, and then you just pull it down. They're going to be stubborn. You know, it's just how it is. Watch out for creepy crawlers. I had 2 lovebirds watching me the whole time. Anyway, so once you get that off, get a screw bolt off here. There's 2 bolts right here. 1, and then this one right here, 2. And then there's a screw bolt on the far end as well, right here. So get those off, and then that's pretty much it for down below. So up top, get your 10mm. I'm sorry, those ones on the bottom are 10mm. So are these. Just get these 10mm off. I think there's like 5 right here. Right here, right here. Okay, now when you pull these off, sometimes, well, they should have like this little like washer bushing type of thing. Try not to lose that, you know, hold on to it. It's right here. Just put it with your bolts, and that's what the bolts look like for the up top. In case you mix them up, that's what they look like. So we'll go ahead and get these off real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and get them all out off camera. I'm not going to make you guys watch me get every single thing off. Once those are off, we're going to come to the side of the bumper here. You're going to kind of want to grab it over here, wiggle it, and pull it out. It's going to be kind of tight. Don't rage pull it out. Just wiggle it, pull it, wiggle it, pull it. Eventually it'll come out. Use a little bit more muscle if you need to. Same for this side. You just kind of want to grab it. And then when you put it in, you could kind of hammer fist it in a little bit. But for right now, we're just taking it off. So we're just going to grab this, wiggle it, and pull it out. And then that should be everything. Oh, except this clip right here needs to come off. So I'm going to show you how to get this clip off right here. There's a clip right here where my hand is. It's a little black clip. We're going to need to get that off. Just use a flathead to push up the center of it. And then once the center of it's up, you can kind of pull the whole thing out. It's right here. This guy. Alright, pull this guy out, put him to the side, and then we can slide this whole thing off. This thing had been in kind of like a collision before, so if I miss like a screw or a clip, if you have an extra clip on your car, like my bad, that's all it took for me to get it off of mine. Here's my new piece. I'm gonna put a link to Amazon. You can get these on Amazon, painted and everything. So I'm gonna get the part linked in the description. Here's the part number. This is for the left hand side, the driver rear side. So once you have this off, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna come around here. And there are these white clips that hold this in place. I think there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one below that I didn't see initially. And then once you get those off, you can just pull this out. Here's the part number for those clips. I'll also link these in the description. You can pick these up on Amazon as well. You only need about 5 of them. You don't necessarily have to have them because sometimes these clips don't break. Sometimes you can just reuse them, like, you know, it's no problem. So let's go ahead and get these off. How you get these off is you push the center of them down, and then you push the whole clip up. You know, pretty self-explanatory. You're pushing them backwards, and you have to push the center tab down so it'll have enough freedom to go back. This tab right here is your last one. Once you get that out, yeah, there's about 5 of them. And then there are these tabs where you kind of have to do the same thing. You push down the center of it and then push it out. That one and this one. Push down the center of it and push it out. Once those are kind of outwards, you could just kind of grab this thing and pull it off. It should come off pretty easy. And that's it. That's how to remove it. Now I'm gonna show you how to put the new one on. It's really important to be patient and line up all these tabs in the correct holes, because you could bend tabs or break them off if you just try to shove it in. So get it lined up perfectly. Make sure everything's lined up. Gently push it in place. It won't clip in all the way because you're gonna have to use those clips to really pull it in to get tight. So, but you get all the tabs in, and then you could just start putting these clips in like this. All right, and then you're gonna just do them all. Bink, one right here, pank, And then one down here, pink. That one was kind of stubborn. Got that one in. And then this one down here, pink. All done. Okay, so we got these in. And then I'll show you the wire harness I mentioned before. Here's what it looks like with it all in. It's all fresh. Now the wire harness that I had you disconnect was this guy. And basically this guy runs through the whole bumper. This guy was on this side too. There's those little impact sensors that sit in the center of the rear bumper. And then since we had disconnected that, we didn't have to like mess with disconnecting this and pulling these guides out. And when you go to put it back on, I would connect those first. Just like put the bumper in place gently and then connect these. And once these are connected and routed safely, then just bolt everything down. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna trust you to put the rest on by yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.